Yo, it's your boy Dee Brimsorr, aka Mega Ice. We back on another segment Behind the Brim. I'm here to bring you something exclusive, some exclusive content. Thanks to the clothing brand known as Reason, aka Reason Clothing. They just sent me the Tiger Bomb jumpsuit that I'm about to unravel to y'all and unbox. So, oh shit, this shit's far. Woo! That's the top, y'all. Alright. Y'all can see this bottom. This bottom look like. I'll put the description. Oh, this is fly, y'all. This is fly. Look at that. Oh. Yeah. Shout out to Reason Clothing, man. Thanks for the contribution. You know I'm definitely gonna wear this with some Renegade apparel, definitely. Shout out to Freak Mob. We get ready to send y'all some exclusive scripts written by yours truly and others that have helped me compile these few scenes. So hopefully be on the lookout for that. And yeah, shout out to the new subscribers. Don't forget the cash giveaway that's coming to the channel at 400 subscribers at $25. So y'all make sure y'all cash app ready. If you're not cash app ready and you win, you automatically get disqualified. So I'm letting you guys know. So holla at your boys Dee Brimsorr, aka Mega High, signing out. You already know, Renegade out.